Mark it!
Scene 1A, take 3, mark.
And you'd actually go literally right in their faces so that both cameras can see it. And it would feel like they're about to cut your nose off. That same thing.
Do it again.
But no, that's fine. I just wanted you guys to get a sense.
And action.
Will she be able to sit on her butt again? Or will she have to carry around one of those toilet seats for the rest of her life?
She'll have full use of her butt in a few weeks.
Whatever. Anyhow, I'm so honored to be filling in for you as captain.
Y'all filling in for me as captain?
Somebody's got to, right? I prayed on it, and God seems to think it's the right move.
Okay, I guess that's okay.
God also seems to think I should freshen up that high kick routine a little bit.
What?
And, oh, I don't want you to worry, because I called Randy, and I might have convinced him to still take you to homecoming, even though your face and your butt is all messed up.
Okay, now that we've established that Randy's a classy guy, you're gonna have to go.
Oh, okay. Bye, sweetie.
Go.
My life is over. My life is over.
Cut.